I am now up at Muirhead on the Selkirk Road. I'm not actually sure who I filmed, to be honest. It's a Deutz and a McHale Fusion 2, and we can see a John Deere in the background raking up there. Lovely part of the country up here at Muirhead. So I came in the road end there, but I didn't actually see the name of the farm, so I just hope it's okay to film just this last part of the row here. I just came on to see if it's actually going to work up here, up in Muirhead. So it's another lovely day. It's Lee Johnson, good afternoon there. Is it afternoon? Just after midday there. Gav Robertson. This will be your part of the country up in the hills here. I think you still work with the forestry machine there. Mark Murdoch is watching. So as I said, it'll probably just be a couple of minutes unless I walk over to the John Deere. You've got to have just try your luck really. If people kick you off, they do. If they don't, well, just keep filming there. James Jackson, Andrew Baird. So I expect I'll just be going next door. So I suppose if I just walk along for another 5 minutes, then I'm actually up here looking for Sloan. He said that Cowan's coming up here to bale today with a spare baler, I would imagine, possibly anyway. Big spare baler. This is a part of the country I've actually filmed just across the way there. It was Drew Watson. And yet again, I only got the last few rows. There was 2 balers here that day, 2 or 3 years ago. So I've got my luck today. There's plenty to lift. I'll just stay on for a few minutes and see what's what. I'm watching what I'm doing. I've fallen over recently when I was walking on the fields there. James Jackson, hi there. Andy Graham. Thanks Andy, I got that old school forager the other day there that you told me about. It was quite an experience. Nice chap. Spoke to him for a few minutes when he was hitching up the Class 51 there. As I said, I'll just stay on for 5 minutes and I can see if we can find Alec. Can't be that far away. So this is possibly a farm. I'm not supposed to be filming that, but I don't think it'll matter that much. Good. Andy Graham there. Quite a long time since I've seen Andy, I think. So we have stone walls up here, dikes as they call them, but they're just freestanding, they're not clashed, which means I haven't got any cement in the top there. They're very vulnerable to be getting knocked over by cattle, but a lot of hard work involved keeping these dikes right, that's for sure. Looks like this one's been recently put a new post in here at some stage. So as we can see, lots of forestry around us, and we'll just scan back here around the hillside there. So we're just actually in the outskirts of Muirhead on the Selkirk Road. I'll just stay on to the bale that comes back around, then I'm going to head away and see if we can find Eck. Can't be that far away, I don't think. There's Hunter Heck farm and some other farm, I've just forgotten what it was. I think that's maybe the man himself. That maybe is Eck. It's the 6330. It certainly looks like I'm got a peep of the horn as well. So it's more than likely the Wood End farm lads. The other day when they were rowing up for baling with a small bale, they had a hay bob, but today it's a Krone rake that's rowing up today. Although I say it myself, he's making a pretty good job. That's what I'll say anyway. No, he is actually making a good job there. So I expect I'll be getting bitten by clegs anytime soon. I did see them earlier on when I stopped earlier on there. So I'm going to stop and come back on so the file's not too big. So I'll catch you in a minute or two. Still in the same field. Bye just now.